Everybody is looking for the true speed demon of the ocean. Guess what? We found it. Meet the sailfish. This slick swimmer can reach speeds up to 68 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah on land. With its long, pointed bill and streamlined body, the sailfish slices through water like a pro. And that giant dorsal fin? It's not just for show. It helps the sailfish change direction quickly while hunting. These speedsters can even leap out of the water, putting on an aerial display that's nothing short of spectacular. Next time you're talking fish, remember, the sailfish is the true speed demon of the deep blue sea. What's your favorite fish fact? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more ocean wonders.